Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can add a new column or field to your list of items in your GitHub projects in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your project inside your GitHub repository. And after that, guys, you will see this list of your items in your current view, for example. You can go for a different view if you like. However, inside that view here, you will see these default columns or fields: assignee, status, a pull request, and also sub-issue progress, and of course the title of the item to the left. But you can add custom fields to that list as well as new columns. To do that, click into the plus button and select a new field. And after that, give it a name. So let me go with start date for the given issue, right? Enter the name, select the field type, text, number, date, single select, iteration. I will go with date. Confirm by clicking into save. And now that column has been added to that list, so that we may now pick a start date for the given item inside that list. And that's how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.